We took a look at the calendar of IPOs coming up, and there's one that looked really interesting to us, and that is Kraken. Kraken is a lot like Coinbase. It is a crypto-based exchange. It is smaller, and so we took a look at what we know about Kraken, what we know about Coinbase and what happened there to try to figure out what's going on and whether this IPO will be decent or not going forward. We want to start by looking at the Coinbase chart here back at the end of 2022. That's this area right here, and as you can see, this was a really good time to buy Coinbase. Let's take a look at where it was trading then. So let's talk price to revenue here. They're doing about $3 billion in revenue. Kraken's actually doing 2.5, so very close. You're getting this company for a $7.5 billion valuation. It's still losing money, but if it can grow revenue, which it did, and get margins up, which it did, it was a very good buy at about 2.5 times revenue. If you've been watching our videos and want to invest alongside us,
click the link in the comments, select your brokerage,
search for ticker RVER wherever you buy stocks.
Thank you, and now back to our video.
So remember that $7 billion in EV it was trading? Currently $63 billion, so you did really well on the stock as it appreciated, and it expanded its multiple. That 2.5 times price to sales multiple, where it was a good buy, that currently sits at 9x. So let's move on to what we know about Kraken. We do know that they're going to do about $2.5 billion in revenue. And we've been told that the price talk is about 20 billion is where they're going to go public, which is about 9x revenue, very similar to that of Coinbase. So which do we like better, Kraken or Coin? Hard to say. One, we don't know the price that they're going to go IPO at, but below 20 billion, probably more attractive than above 20 billion. And we don't know their margin profile. In fact, we're willing to bet that Coinbase's margins are a lot better than Kraken, given it's a retail platform instead of an institutional platform. But when we figure those things out, we'll take a look at Kraken versus Coin and probably have a better idea which one of them is a better buy. So stay tuned for our opinion on Kraken once we know more information than we do right now. Also, thanks for watching. We really appreciated all those likes and subscribes. And if there's anything you guys want to see, hit us in the comments.